boy is screaming us, and I rep my hood Troy. I set out from there when I was a little boy. My mom, Clarissa, died during the Trojan War. My dad left her behind to find another shore. And he knew he had to go when my head went up in flames, so he gathered up some Trojans to save the Dardan name. With Anchises on his shoulders holding me in his arms, he sailed away to Carthage, and one died with his time. When my daddy was away, that queen was so obsessed, she would hold me in her lap since my face was second best. The gods got all upset and told my dad we had to leave. We had to keep going to fulfill our destiny. She wanted us to stay, she said that they were wed, but we ditched her anyways cause he wouldn't keep my head. Yo, Abalonga, you're what my future holds. I'm gonna found the city like Jupiter foretold. The ladies burnt our ships when we were in Sicily. What unheard of madness that made our ships into debris. The Harpy Queen said that we would be unstable, but we reached Italy. Look, we ate our tables. We had to go and fight, our fate to be fulfilled. I fought against Eumaeus, the first guy that I killed. My dad was like a storm, raging to claim the land. Then the war was over, turned his bed in his right hand. Yeah, my name is Ulysses, and my story goes thus.